In the early morning rain, with $1 in my hand and the naked in my heart, and my pockets full of sand, I'm a long way from home, and I miss my loved ones so. In the early morning rain, with no place to go, down on runway number 9, big 707 set me go, but I'm stuck here on the grass, where the pavement never grows, where the liquor tastes good, and the women all work fast. There she goes, my friend, she is rolling out at last. Hear her mighty engine roar, see her silhouette on high, she's away in westward bound, far above the clouds she'll fly, where the morning rain don't fall, and the sun always shines. She'll be flying on my home in about 3 hours time. This old airport's got me down, it's no earthly good to me, 'cause I'm stuck here on the ground, cold and drunk as I might be, can't jump a jet plane like a can a freight train, so I best be on my way in the early morning rain, so I best be on my way